pellet gun ko, guys. Ito, guys. Ito yung magazine niya, guys. Wala. Balag, guys. So, try natin lang yan. Guys, baka sabihin nyo, wala pa, guys. Test natin sa labas, guys. Ito na, test na natin, guys. So yan, titest na natin. Part 2 ASMR naman natin to, guys. Bye bye, guys.